Hey guys, let's solve the problem subarray product less than k. Okay, so in this what we have to do is suppose I have an array 10, 5, 2 and 6 and k is given to me is 100. I have to find the number of subarrays that I can form, okay, whose product is less than k. Okay, so what do you mean by that? Suppose if I take this subarray, its product is 50, which is less than k. So I can say that I have one subarray that has a k sum that is product less than k. How about this? This 10, it is also, I can say 1. How about this? 60. I can say yes. I can do that. Okay, so I have to find how many subarrays that I can form. Even 6 alone is also a subarray. Okay, so I have to find all the subarrays. So what is the most brute force I can think? The most brute force. The most brute force I can just tell to you is without even thinking of is go for a two for loops and you have to calculate the subarray, the product in a manner right in a manner like you if you are starting from suppose I equals to 2 5, so I'll keep on taking a product. I will do 5 into 2. Again, this is my j. I'll keep on increasing the j until and unless my k is less than my product is less than k. Okay. And if I found that, then I'll break. I'll go for increment of I. This is my brute force of n square. Okay. N square. It will take n square. Okay. So this is quite hectic and we are calculating the product again and again, which we don't have. What is the most we can say good approach? I can say is I have to find the subarrays. That subarray either can go from this to this or can go from this to this. So how can we find that? Suppose, let's take the example here. This is a great example. Okay. I will take a pointer L and let's change the color. I'll take the pointer L and I need a product value, which would be my starting with 1. Okay. Now, I reach 10. So I multiply this with 10. It will result me 10. So I can say this if my R is here. I can say that my L minus 1 plus 1 equals to 1 minus 1 plus 0 equals to 1. I can say I have a 1 10 subarray, a 1 which have a count less than k. Okay, let's take this mind to find the number of subarrays from a range like 0 to 2. This is the formula. How many subarrays I can form in this range? It is L minus R minus L plus 1. R is 2 and L is 0 and plus 1. This is the number of subarrays that I can form with 0 and with 2 at the end. Okay, so it could be 0, 1, 2, 1, 2 or 2. So it would be 2 minus 0 plus 1, 3. These are 3. Okay, understood. So I have to keep this in my mind. So I'll increase my R and I will reach here. It is 50. So how many are there? So in previous I have, let's take the result. It was the result is 1 from the previous array. Now how many I can form? R is 1 minus 0 plus 1 equals to 2. So I can say plus 2. Okay. Now I will increment the R. Now with this my product is 100 now, which I don't have to take because I can take only the product less than k. So what I will do is I will keep on increment the L until I found a product that is less than k. So what I will do is I'll increment the L and it will reach here. So I'll divide this with 10 because the previous one is 10. So it will result me a value of 10. So I can say that 10 is less than k, so I can form 2 minus 1 plus 1, which is 2 minus 1 plus 1. So I can form two arrays like this. This is the concept behind this. I'll increment the r. It would be 60. So it will be plus 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 1 plus 1. It would be 3. 3 plus is 3, 6, 7, 8. 8 is my answer. Let's code this. And the len of nums. Okay. I need a left pointer which would be at 0. And r pointer which would be also at 0. I need a product which would be initialized as 1. So while r is less than n. Okay. Now, what I have to do is I have to product. And how can I find the number of sub arrays in which if L is this and R is 5 and 5 should be there in the sub array, so it would be I need a result. I will return the result like this, and result would be R minus L plus 1. Okay, now what if my product is greater than or equals to k? So what I have to do is I have to increment L, but I have to divide the product. And increment the L. But the thing is, I don't want to exceed the L to R. I should always be, L should be less than R. So I can do it like L is less than equals to R. Sorry, less than equals to R. This is my code. Let's run this. Oh, I didn't increase the R here. It is always good practice if you are declaring a while loop. First of all, before adding anything, just increment R. Okay, like this. Increment L. So yeah, it is accepted. And why not? Yeah. If you understand this question, just give it a like and subscribe. Okay, see ya.